So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can split a video automatically for different scenes. For example, if a video contains more than one scene, that means the scene is cutted with some different video clips. How you can automatically deduct and cut it without doing manually. Now, in order to do it, just simply right click. For example, this is the clip I want to cut. So the Premiere Pro supports this feature that contains automatically detects the scene and make the razor cuts over there. So in order to exit that, just simply right click on the video clip that you want to cut, and here you'll see this option of scene edit detection. Click over there. Now just simply check mark this that says apply a cut at each detection cut point and hit on this option of analyze. Now once you do it, you'll notice that the video will cut the places where it has detect the cuts. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.